আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভিউয়ার্স, আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো ব্রিজের কি কি ইকুইপমেন্ট আছে। আমি তো ইঞ্জিন ডিপার্টমেন্টের, ব্রিজ সম্বন্ধে আমার কোনো ভালো ধারণা নাই। আমাদের শিপের থার্ড অফিসার সবকিছু আপনাদেরকে এখন দেখাবে। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ব্রিজ। তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি ব্রিজে কি কি থাকে আমাদের শিপের সবকিছু আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো। সবকিছু বলবে আমাদের শিপের থার্ড অফিসার।
Hello, good morning. This is third officer. I just today introduced the bridge equipments, that what actually we have on bridge and how you operate from bridge. Basically, bridge is called the ship's what you called. If you consider it as a human body, the brain which operates our whole body. So bridge also operate the whole ship. From bridge we operate the whole ship. So I just introduced today the bridge equipments. I start from the port side. This is the port side. If you face towards the ship, your left side is the port side, your starboard side, right side is the starboard side. So this is the start. Already I have shown you my last video. So this time I will just show you one thing. This is the engine operating panel. So from here we just communicating from engine room, and we also operate the engine from here. So this panel is for bow thruster. Bow thruster, what happened? Bow thruster situated in the ship's forward part, which is used to move the ship's head left right during when the ship is slow streaming. That is basically bow thruster. Side thruster basically is the telephone for engine room, for this is the paging call for engine room, bridge, steering gear room, emergency fire pump room. This is the main engine operating panel or control. You can see that from here I can see that engine movement, engines operation I can see from here. This is the engine telegraph. We used to give engine command from here. This is the engine telegraph. This is some indicator, this is some panels. Now this time this is the steering gear panel. In this ship we have 3 steering motor. Now 2 steering motor is running. So from here we can just operate the engine steering gear. This is the light panels. All the ships, whatever light we have, this is the light panel. This is the EGDIS. Basically, EGDIS is for anti-grounding equipment. Previously we used to use paper chart, but now there is no paper chart, all digitalized. So here we can see the real-time ships movement. This is the chart. In a word you can see that the ship's road map we can see here. And if you just simplify it, so I can see that you can see that this is the EGDIS. All the charts, all the maps are here, basically ocean maps in plain word. So as Bangladesh, this is our Bangladesh. See, this is the Bangladesh. So we will not go here. This is the Bangladesh. See Bangladesh here, Dhaka. This is the Dhaka. This is Khulna. This is Mongla Anchorage. So this is the basically Bay of Bengal. So we will not go there. We just follow our route, our ship's route.
Okay.
This is our route. We just go from here, Indian Ocean. From Indian Ocean to we'll go. From here we'll go to Singapore, direct Singapore. Singapore situated somewhere here. Okay. So we started our voyage from London, UK, and our destination is Singapore. So we just around crossing around 12,000 nautical mile distance we are around crossing. So see that if I just zoom out, we start our voyage from here. This is the London. From here the Atlantic coast, Atlantic Ocean. This is the South Atlantic. From here we came this route. This is the South Africa. This is the South Africa. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean. From Cape of Good Hope, Cape Town. From here we go this side. Now our position is here. So basically this is the EGDIS. Now I will show the radar. This is radar. This is a X-band radar. X-band radar is used for detect short range scanning. Short range target detection. Basically it also you can use for long range also, but this is good for only short range detection of target. This is the navigation light panel. This is the fire pump, emergency fire pump. This is the air horn controller. We can see this. This is the ship's master clock. So from here we just advance or rotate the ship's clock. This is the master clock. This is a local clock. So from here we just operate the ship's clock. This is the emergency hyper local firefighting system, hyperloop local firefighting system. In the engine room there is some firefighting system, fixed firefighting system. And so this is the indication basically that if any hyperloop local firefighting system is activated or not, we can see from here also. This is some dimmer light, dimmer switch, means like when you use mobile phone, mobile phones have brightness. So we just use this for increasing or decreasing the brightness of the radar, EGDIS or others equipment. This is echo sounder basically. Now it is switch off though. Echo sounder is used for detect the ship's depth under the keel UKC. So from keel to seabed, how much distance? Basically, we used to detect the ship's depth during when we passing through the shallow water, or at depth less than 50 meters or something like that. We can use more depth also, but now it is switch off because here the sea, you can see the depth is around 2,300, 3,000 meters. So it will not reach up to this much level. So this is the watertight sliding door, engine room doors. We can see that which door is open, which door is closed. This is basically watertight sliding doors panel. This is some ventilation. In our ship we have lots of ventilation fan for cargo hold, for deck, for accommodation, for engine room, lots of ventilation fan. So we can operate from here. This is watertight door panel. If any door is open or closed, this watertight door. I don't know if you've seen Titanic movie or not. In Titanic movie, when it is collide with the iceberg, that time the engineers, they are closing all the doors shut, and once the door is shut, the indication that it is like switch off or switch on. So we can see from here that which door is closed, which door is open. This is the course recorder. It's like a graph. Course recorder is to that our ships track the ship's movement, previous ship's movement. This is the PA announce system. This is the VHF. This is the PA system. We can announce everything from here. If we announce, all ships will hear what an announcement is carried out. This is the VHF, very high frequency radio basically. We used to communicate short range with other ship with that equipment. This is the BANWAS, bridge navigation watch alarm system. This is the ship's whistle. This is the ship's whistle. And finally this is the steering. This is the steering panel. We used to steer the ship from here. Basically, when you drive a car, when you drive a motorcycle, we just helm steering. So the ship has steering. Now it is on autopilot mode, which is similar like to plane. A plane have also autopilot mode. In ship we have also autopilot mode. So that is just, I just give one track, one course. She is maintaining that same course. This is the autopilot. This is the master gyro compass. Okay, so we have this is the master gyro compass. This is this is the master gyro compass is here integrated with that steering. This is the master gyro. This is the master gyro compass. This is just a repeater. This one repeater in bridge wings. Port side we have one repeater. Starboard side one repeater. Steering gear room there is one repeater. So this is the basically gyro compass, and the magnetic compass is top of the Monkey Island. Monkey Island you can see from here. This is a magnetic compass from inside. It's located at Monkey Island. Now come to this is S-band radar, similar like S-band radar, but its purpose is to detect the long range scanning. We used to use X-band radar. There is another EGDIS, backup EGDIS. In merchant ship there is two EGDIS, one is backup, one is primary. Both EGDIS purpose is same, but we used to carry two EGDIS because if one EGDIS is malfunction, then we can run our ship with another EGDIS. There is the purpose of two EGDIS basically. There is secondary VHF also. There is two VHF. This is the secondary VHF.
Secondary VHF.
Yeah, this is the secondary VHF, and there is another SART. I show you the I start from this side. This is another side. This is the starboard side. This SART is another SART is here. This is the SART. There are some tree for just beautification, for mind refreshment. We just put some tree. There is some souvenir. There is some souvenir. This is the GPS. Basically, this is DGPS. It's integrated the high positioning accuracy. Okay, so this is the DGPS 1, DGPS 2. This is the Navtex. We use some nav warnings, local nav warnings through this Navtex printer. This is the Navtex. This is the Navtex printer. Up to this. So this is GMDSS console. Then as for MFHF, this is for SATC, this is for NDDP. All purpose is same, to communicate with other ship or communicate with shore. Basically, we used this GMDSS means the Global Maritime Communication System. So if any maritime communication required, we can communicate with other ship with this equipment. So this is the SATC. This is MFHF, medium frequency or high frequency. This is NDDP, and there are some panel. This is in engine room. All cameras are here. We can see that engineers movement from this camera. There is some weather monitoring software. This is the ship's internet console panel. So up to this, thank you.
ছিল মোটামুটি আমার ব্রিজের ট্যুর। সো ভিডিও যদি আপনাদের ভালো লাগে থাকে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক দিতে পারেন, কমেন্ট করে জানাতে পারেন আপনাদের মতামত। ট্রাভেল অ্যাডভেঞ্চার এবং সেলার্স ব্লগ পেতে আমার ফেসবুক পেজটি লাইক এবং ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করার আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়ে আজকের মতো বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আমি ফজলিল সুমন। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।